Hello everyone, today is 19th of March 2020. So I did not do the, you know, live reading for today. So let's start with the numerology, which is 19th of March 2020. So now what is 19th of March 2020? 19th is 19, which is number 1, and March is number 3, which is 1 plus 3, which is basically 4. 4 plus 4, which is 2020 is 4, which is 4 plus 4 is 8. So basically 8 is Saturn. So Saturn is slow. So slow means slow and steady wins the race. It's like a race between tortoise and rabbit. So now what is tortoise and what is rabbit? If we talk about today's scene, so rabbit is corona and tortoise are us. So ultimately who will win? Ultimately human race will win, but they need to understand that the virus which is not visible, which is spreading so fast, need to think that everything is in so I was talking on numerology for today, which is 19th of March 2020, which is number 8, which is Saturn. Saturn is slow. Slow means tortoise and rabbit. What do you mean by tortoise and rabbit? Rabbit is coronavirus these days and tortoise is human race. So who will win? Ultimately tortoise will win because humans are very strong. They adapt well to the situations. They are so immune to the situations, be it mosquito to virus to bacteria to parasites. They do everything because they are the ones, right? So what is the remedy as per numerology? Jupiter. So what is Jupiter? Jupiter is your knowledge. So you need to bring in yellow, which is try to wear yellow clothes, try to donate yellow clothes, and then uh, try to put in yellow tilak on your forehead and try to eat yellow dal, try to distribute yellow dal, try to make your Jupiter strong. It is if it is very weak in your chart, you are prone to burn. Okay, so now let me share my number with you guys. What I am planning to do is a free workshop for this healing. So what we will do, we will just connect on Zoom, and on Zoom you can do a meditation for 5 minutes. It's 11 a.m. in morning, 11 p.m. in night, wherein we'll join the hands and we will pray that I'll teach you what we need to do. So that is what Saturn is teaching. Saturn teaches very hard lessons. So the lessons taught by Saturn are very hard, but they are those lessons are make you a strong person. They teach you that nobody is there to help you. Okay, you are the only one who is helping. Why this purification is being done? I just saw that in Italy and in Paris or somewhere there is a river which was so polluted. They cleaned that up, and after that they can see dolphins coming on the they can actually see the small fishes in there. So what do you mean by that? Like, have you seen a kind of situation where Shirdi is closed? I'm sitting in Shirdi and roads are closed. It's just like curfew situation. The shop is closed. Yeah, this shop which used to run 24 hours is closed. People are not having jobs who were daily wage workers. Beggars don't have anything to eat. They have their bank balances which they are doing. Why Shirdi got closed? Why God has closed the doors? Why the father has closed the door when the son is suffering? Do you know that? Because as per Saturn, number 8, the lesson will be very hard. He'll teach you by just and then slapping you. Why? because the sun is not learning at all. Why? Because they were working on the technology, they were working on the areas which they think they are gods. We are, you know what? We are running away from a virus which is not visible at all. So this is something weird. Let me show you the streets of Shirdi. Okay. Okay, so these are the Shirdi streets. Okay, these are Shirdi streets. Look at them. It's all vacant. It's all vacant. All the shops are closed and everything closed. And look at those people who used to say we love Baba. They are nowhere because they don't trust him. They trust only their homes. They trust only the hand sanitizer. They trust only the soaps. They trust only the masks. Okay. Do you think Italy people don't wear masks? Do you think in Italy people don't use hand sanitizer? Do you think they do not purify their homes? Do you think they don't use air purifiers at their home? Then why are they dying? Have you ever thought about it? No? Why everybody was behind Sai Baba, and after 101 years he closed the doors? Why Tirupati Balava is closed? Why Siddhi Vinayak is closed? Why Haji Ali is closed? Why flights are not running? Why? Why can't we just see that? We need purification, not our hands from inside. How will you do that? Do you have a soap or hand sanitizer for doing that? You don't have. So that's where the job of healers comes. Doctors will heal your physical body and healers will heal your emotional self, your subconscious or soul level. So now it's up to you. I have shared my number with you guys. Like, let me pin that number for you. Okay, pin. Now what is the free kind of stuff, huh? You'll pay for your hand sanitizer, you'll pay for your clothes, you'll pay for your masks. But when it comes for your soul, you don't pay at all. Why? Because that's not visible. What about the virus which is not visible? Think about it. Okay? So, if something is not visible, you are scared. Even Sai Baba is not visible. Why are you not scared? Why are you not scared? So the thing is this, if you want to help people, if you want to first help yourself, okay? So if you want to help yourself, if you want to help your soul, if you want to fight with something which is not visible, then come and join my group. Come and send me a WhatsApp message on 7011560905. It's Saturn energy. Let's teach a lesson to yourself. Then let's teach a lesson to your family. Let's teach a lesson to your friends. Let's teach a lesson to your society, to your city, to your country, to your neighboring countries. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is actually working these days, right? Everybody is trying to save the other country people. Everybody is trying to run to India. India gates are closed. Temples are closed. Films are closed. Movies, cinema halls and malls and everything is closed. And you are at home. You don't have any work to do. Just watch news. And after that, just watch movie, and then you're getting bored. And what else needs to be done? Why don't you do something different? Okay, you don't have anything to do. Learn something new, na? What do you mean by learning something new? Extend your Jupiter. Bow down to the teacher. Teacher doesn't mean the person should be with a beard and he should be old. And no. Teacher is your kid can be your teacher. He teaches you how to play, how to be in himself. Why Sai Baba? Why Tirupati Balaji? Why Siddhi Vinayak? Why Haji Ali? Why Ajmer Sharif? Why Nizamuddin Aulia? Why this Chennai and this Madurai and these places and Amravati and all? Why Rishikesh and all? Why you want to run to those places now? Why you are scared to go out from your home now? There is no enemy. It's you. Okay, so it's like extend your Jupiter energies, learn something new, bow down to your guru, pray, Meditate. If you don't know how to meditate, come. Let's do some kind of meditation. And send me a WhatsApp message. I hope, even if a single person replies back to me, my work is done. Okay. So, and don't be scared. Things are definitely will take time, but it is 21 days process. Why 21 days process? Because our subconscious mind goes to auto mode. After 21 days we'll be totally purified. We will have pure hands, pure souls, pure bodies, purity everywhere. I think now it's like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is happening from inside. Then you'll just swatch your home. After that, you sanitize your streets. It's amazing that people work with danda, huh? People don't work with love. They work with scare. They work with. They don't work with प्यार. They work with तुम fail हो जाओगे जल्दी से पढ़ लो. What about your exams? CBSE exams, they are not happening. What about your university exam? They are not happening. Everything is closed, but the only thing which is open is your mind. So work on that. Don't run. Just settle. Just settle. Thank you so much. Love you. Love every one of you. Purification is happening. Purify yourself. And don't worry, India is always safe. Huh? Those people who went, the 3 people, they were 60 plus, they had other issues. But the other 166 who are contaminated, and others who are hiding. Because there are people who are hidden. Like we have like 125 crores people, I don't know what is the exact population in India. But people are hiding. They think, okay, aloe vera juice will help me, or this will help me, that will help me. But there'll be a situation, maybe after a week, where this number will go to 1100 or 2000. But nobody will die, okay? Because India is always Dharm Guru. Now it's time that India actually shows it to the world that it's not about technology, it's not about flights, it's not about presidents, it's not about nuclear bombs, it's not about fighting, it's not about science, it's about our inner self. That's what India was known for, right? So India is getting the power back. Everybody wants to come to India. Italy wants to come to India, US wants to come to India, Dubai wants to come to India. They are all contaminated people. They will not be allowed here. So now I am again telling you, at 11 a.m. every day and 11 p.m. every day, I will come live on Zoom. You need to install Zoom. We will do a group meditation, okay? And we'll see the difference. We will target that, okay, let's target Maharashtra, because I am in Shirdi right now. Let's target Maharashtra. The total is like 40, 41 or whatever the count is. We will target it and we will try to see that how that goes down. It should be 0. Then we'll switch to other state. It will go to 0, 0, 0, 0. 15 states, 15 days done. It's 21 days process, okay? So let's do it, because we have time now. We are working from home. We are sleeping. We are eating. We are enjoying. We are like kids. Everybody wanted to be like it. Everybody wanted to take early retirement. I'm working because I want early retirement. I just don't want to waste my time. I just want to be with my family. Just be with your family now. But what if some family member gets contaminated? You'll throw him in the isolation. Why? So because you have thrown every temple into isolation. I'm in Shirdi from last 21 days, and I'll be here till the time temple opens again. My food is taken care of, my salary is taken care of, my work from home is taken care of. I work with an IT firm which is called Sapient. It's in Gurgaon, but I am working for Bangalore office. So they just don't care where I am. I'm just online my laptop and it's done. So let's try to learn from number 8, which is slow and steady wins the race. Let's try together. Maybe, not maybe, it will be done. I feel so. Not I think so, I feel so. Because now it's thinking is not working at all. It's feelings which are working. Thank you so much for watching in. Sorry if I have said some kind of harsh words to you guys, but that's the reality now. Love you. Take care. Bye bye.